Keeping up with, keep pace. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we're diving into the phrase, keep pace. Ever heard someone use it and wondered what it means? Stick around to find out. Keep pace consists of two words. 1. Keep, to continue to have or hold something. 2. Pace, the speed or rate at which something happens. When combined, the phrase means to keep up with or maintain the same rate or speed as something else. To truly grasp the meaning, let's explore some examples. 1. She struggled to keep pace with the rest of the runners. 2. This means she found it challenging to run as fast as the other runners. 3. With technology advancing rapidly, companies need to keep pace with the latest innovations. 4. Here, companies need to stay updated with the most recent technological developments. 5. Students need to keep pace with their assignments to avoid falling behind. 6. This suggests students should stay updated with their tasks to not lag. The phrase, keep pace, can also appear in various forms like 1. Keeping pace with. This is the present continuous form. E.g., he is keeping pace with the latest fashion trends. 2. Kept pace with. This is the past form. E.g., she kept pace with the leading group during the marathon. 1. Describing competition. When someone or something is trying to match the performance of another. 2. Highlighting progress. Emphasizing the need to stay updated or move forward at the same rate. 3. Physical activities, like running, walking, or any activity involving movement at a certain speed. That's it for today. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, keep pace. Remember, language is all about context, and the more you practice and expose yourself to different sentences, the better you'll understand such phrases. Happy learning!